It is that growth mindset that really fosters this feeling of collaboration. We know as members of the sales team here that if we want to grow and accelerate our own careers, the best way to do that is to enable and teach others, and that really creates this culture of collaboration, which combined with our sales methodology, I think is really unique to MongoDB sales.
We have a people-first culture, and we really work with our teams both on a professional and personal levels in the advancement of their career, but also at their personal and professional goals and aspirations.
Selling can be an individual sport. And yes, you have your own number and your own quota that you have to carry about. But it's really important that you learn not just from your leaders, but you learn from your peers. I think one thing that stands out to me is when you join MongoDB, there's not one person here that won't help you be successful. You can reach out to any person, whether they've been here for 1 month or 1 year or 5 years, they will set up a time with you immediately to help you out with something. And that's what's always stuck true to me and something that's been really powerful in my career here.